Hello dear students, today we are going to solve practice set 2.2 from your lesson number 2. See, first question is choose the correct alternatives. Sub question first, in the adjoint figure, if line M is parallel to line N and line P is a transversal, then find X. See, here line M and line L are two parallel lines and P is a transversal. We have to find out the value of X. If we observe this figure, this angle and this angle, these two angles are the interior angles, right? And we having property, interior angles are supplementary angles. Therefore, we can write here angle 3x plus x is equal to 180. By you have to write here reason. जेव्हा तुम्ही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करता तेव्हा डायरेक्टली एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करायचं नाही. इथं ब्रॅकेटमध्ये रिझन लिहायचं. मग काय रिझन आहे इथं काय लिहू शकतो आपण तर इंटेरियर अँगल्स आर सप्लिमेंटरी. So see 3x plus x 4x 4x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 4. X is equal to 4 4 is 16 and 4 5 is 20. So x is equal to 45 degree. याच्यामध्ये कोणता ऑप्शन होईल ऑप्शन सी. ओके, इन दिस वे वी हैव टू सॉल्व फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Then see second question. In the adjoint figure, if line A and line B are parallel to each other and line L is a transversal, then find the value of X. Here also line A and B are parallel to each other and line L is a transversal. We have to find out the value of X. Now if you observe this figure here, this angle is opposite to this one, right? And we know that opposite angles are same. Therefore, this is also 2x. Now, if you consider these two lines parallel and this L is a transversal, then these two angles are again interior angles. Okay, so we can write here also 4x plus 2x is equal to 180. Why? Because these two angles are interior angles and according to our property, interior angles are supplementary. Therefore, we can write here interior angles are supplementary. Supplementary म्हणजे काय तर त्या दोघांची सम बेरीज 180 डिग्री असते. ओके, मग पहा 4x plus 2x 6x is equal to 180 or x is equal to 180 divided by 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 3 is 18, 0 as it is. So value of x is 30 degree. Option number 4. See students, question number 2 is given like this. In the adjoint figure, line P is parallel to line Q. Line P is parallel to line Q. Line T and line S. Line T and line S are transversals. Find measure of angle X and Y using the measures of angles given in the figure. We have to find out here the value of X and Y using these values given in that figure. See, if you observe this figure from this one, this angle and this angle are corresponding angles, right? आपण प्रॉपर्टीज शिकलो आहोत करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगलच्या, बरोबर आहे. तर हा जो अँगल आहे आणि हा अँगल हे दोघं करस्पॉन्डिंग आहेत. अँड यू नो दॅट करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल आर कॉन्ग्रंट. देअरफॉर हा 40 असेल तर हा पण किती येणार 40 डिग्री येणार. ओके, नाव दिस अँगल अँड दिस अँगल आर लिनियर अँगल. लिनियर पेअरमध्ये आहेत, बरोबर आहे. तुम्ही शिकला आहात लिनियर पेअरमध्ये जर अँगल असतील तर त्या दोघांची ॲडिशन किती असणार आहे 180 असणार आहे. युझिंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी वी कॅन राईट हिअर 40 डिग्री प्लस एक्स इज इक्वल टू 180. रिझन लिहायचं का तर लिनियर अँगल. सो x इज इक्वल टू 180 मायनस हा 40. x इज इक्वल टू काय येणार 140 degree. This is the value of x, that is 140 degree. Now we have to find out the value of y here. Now if you observe this figure again, this is 70 degree and this angle is opposite to this one. We having property opposite angles are congruent, therefore this angle is also of 70 degree. Okay, now these two angles are interior angles, right? And we having property of interior angle. Interior angles are supplementary, therefore we can write here y plus 70 degree is equal to 180. Why? They are interior angles, are supplementary. So y is equal to 180 minus 70 and therefore y is equal to 110 degree. In this way we can solve this question. Okay. इथं प्रॉपर्टीज लक्षात ठेवायच्या. जेव्हा आपल्याला x ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची असते तेव्हा हे दोन करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल येतील. करस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल कॉन्ग्रंट असतात. हा 40 म्हणून हा सुद्धा 40. परत हे दोघं लिनियर पेअर मधले येतील म्हणून या दोघांची ॲडिशन 180 घेऊन हा सॉल्व्ह केला. सिमिलरली इथं हे अपोजिट अँगल येतील. अपोजिट अँगल म्हणून हा पण 70 डिग्री येईल आणि हे आपले इंटेरियर अँगल येतील. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. In the adjoint figure, line P is parallel to line Q. Here line P is parallel to line Q. Line L is parallel to line M. Find measures of angle A, angle B and angle C using the measures of given angles and justify your answer. See, if you observe this figure, here line P and Q are parallel to each other. Again line L and M are also parallel to each other. Okay. Then see, firstly we will find out the value of angle A. If you observe this figure, here if this one is 80 degree, then according to our property these two are the interior angles. Then हा 80 असेल तर हा फाइंड आउट करायचा असेल तर आपण प्रॉपर्टी वापरू शकतो इंटेरियर अँगलची. दॅट इज इंटेरियर अँगल्स आर सप्लिमेंटरी. देअरफॉर वी कॅन राईट हियर 80 डिग्री प्लस अँगल ए इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. वाय? दे आर इंटेरियर अँगल्स आर सप्लिमेंटरी. Therefore angle A is equal to 180 minus 80. Angle A is equal to 100 degree. Now see here, this angle and this angle are corresponding angle. Okay, therefore this angle should be 80 degree. And angle this and this angle are opposite to each other. Therefore this 80 degree. Angle C is also of 80 degree. Therefore angle C is equal to 80 degree. Again here this one is 80 degree. This angle C and angle B are also corresponding angles, and according to our property of corresponding angle, these two angles are congruent. Therefore angle B is also of 80 degree. Okay, in this way we can find out the values of angle A, B and C. Question number 4. In the adjoint figure, line A is parallel to line B and L is a transversal. Find the measures of angle X, Y and Z using given information. See here, line A and B are parallel to each other and line L is a transversal. If you observe this figure, these two angles are corresponding angle, and we know that corresponding angles are congruent. Therefore angle X is equal to 5 degree by corresponding angle. Now if angle x is 105 degree, then y is also 105 degree, opposite angle. Therefore angle y is equal to angle x. That is angle y is equal to 105 degree. Opposite angles. Again, this angle and this angle are in linear pair. Okay, linear angle आहेत. Therefore 105 degree plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. As you know that linear angle are of they are supplementary, or the sum of that two one is 180. We can write here supplementary, or they are in linear pair. Therefore angle z is equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree. That is angle z is equal to 75 degree. Question number 5. In the adjoint figure, line P is parallel to line L is parallel to line Q. Means these three lines are parallel to each other. Find value of x. म्हणजे हा पूर्ण अँगल आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे using this information. Now if you observe this figure, this angle and this angle are of पेअर ऑफ अल्टरनेट अँगल. बरोबर आहे, आपण अल्टरनेट अँगल शिकलो आहोत. हे दोन कसे आहेत, अल्टरनेट अँगल आहेत. आणि अल्टरनेट अँगल कसे असतात, कॉन्ग्रंट असतात. म्हणजे हा जर 40 डिग्री असेल तर हा किती असणार आहे, 40 डिग्री असणार आहे. ओके, एवढा. सिमिलरली जर आपण या दोन लाईनच्या बाबतीत विचार केला, लाईन एल अँड क्यू, या दोन्ही लाईन पॅरलल आहेत. हा जर ट्रान्सव्हर्सल असेल तर हा आणि हा अँगल कसला झाला, अल्टरनेट अँगल झाला. म्हणजे हा 30 डिग्री असेल तर हा सुद्धा किती येणार, 30 डिग्री येणार. वी हॅव टू फाइंड युअर अँगल एक्स. देअरफॉर अँगल एक्स इज इक्वल टू 40 डिग्री प्लस 30 डिग्री. दॅट इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री. ओके, in this way you have to solve practice set 2.2.